Yo, what's going on, people? Mario here. Hey, guys, I usually don't do a review on electronic stuff, but I feel that this is something that you guys could definitely benefit from, and just wanted to bring it up to you guys' attention. Recently had my birthday, and I asked my family for a Bluetooth speaker. Basically, I like to be out and about and be able to listen to some music, and there's times where headphones are not really the most convenient thing to have on. So I wanted to have a Bluetooth speaker or something with good sound, good capability, and I was fortunate enough to get this Bose speaker. This is the Bose SoundLink Mini. It is a Bluetooth speaker. It also has capabilities of being connected through an auxiliary port, which comes with it, and I'll show you guys that. It is a 1.5 pound iodinized case speaker. I'm telling you, 1.5 pounds, and the sound that it gives you, it's outstanding, guys. So let me talk a little bit about the dimensions of this. This is 7 inches by 2 3/4 inches. So it's pretty small. You can pretty much just put it on your pocket or put it in a small little backpack and take it wherever you need to go. Of course, it comes with a micro USB port and also comes with an auxiliary input. The Some of the other things that I really like about this is that it could the charge, it could last you up to 7 hours, so you guys can be out and about, and you can pretty much have music for about 7 hours. Well, one of the things I like about this is because it's Bluetooth capability, so definitely you can hook it up to a phone, a laptop, a tablet, anything that has Bluetooth capability. Even nowadays, some TVs have Bluetooth capability, so if you guys want to definitely hook it up to your TV, it's another option that you guys might want to do. Really, what I like about about the speaker is the sheer size of it. I mean, it's pretty small. I have small hands, and I could carry it in it, and I really like the design of this speaker. It has two little small speakers here on the side, and it has what they call a transducer here. I believe that's what it's called. And what it does is it definitely helps you with the bass, and you don't have no rattling, especially with music that has a lot of bass. Like, I'm a big 80s hip hop kind of guy. And of course, the old hip hop back in the day had a lot of bass on it, so I definitely don't ever hear this thing rattle, and it really produces really outstanding sound. I mean, I'm telling you guys, this little speaker could definitely fill your room with music. It is outstanding. Okay, guys, another thing that comes with it is it comes with a charging dock, which is pretty cool, and it has the connections right here. Has the same thing over here, so you can connect that on there. It also comes with your AC adapter. The AC adapter, you can actually either hook it up directly to the port here, and or just take it with that. And this actual dock is something that I would consider mostly for home use. I will not take this out and go, but it's another option that you have. But I do like the fact that it comes with a nice little AC adapter. And it's not just 110. It can go up to 240 volts. Especially if you guys are traveling internationally, that's always cool. Another thing that I really like about the SoundLink Mini is the sheer simplicity of it. It only has 6 buttons, guys. So I mean, it's pretty simple. So it has your power, your mute, your volume up and down. High or low, your Bluetooth, which comes with a little light on there, and your auxiliary. Now, the only 2 little lights you're gonna see on this speaker is gonna be actually there's 3. It's gonna be here for your power, especially when you're charging it. It's gonna give you yellow, which is low, and green means obviously it's good. Auxiliary is gonna give you a small little it's going to give you a light like that. You see, on it lights up, tells you that it's on mute mode. And also your light here for your Bluetooth. Okay. This also comes with a light for your auxiliary, which is always kind of cool. So that way you know exactly what mode you're in. You guys hear that? That's actually connecting to my iPhone 5. So it's a pretty cool little speaker. I just love this speaker, guys, because it does the job. You guys are definitely gonna love this, you know, especially you guys are on the go. You guys have a lot of family vacations, or like, let's say you happen to be like me, you know, a guy that just likes to sit on his patio and wants to listen to some music. It's always a great thing, guys. It is a good, has a good case, but I would always suggest you guys, if you guys are going to take it out and about, and purchase the traveling case. For accessories, they're about $44, $44 to $45, and the silicone case also, those are about 25 bucks MSRP. So those are the two options that you have with the speaker. I just really like the speaker, and I wanted to do a quick review for all you guys out there in the gun community, and pretty much everybody out there on YouTube. If you guys are looking for a really good Bluetooth speaker, this is definitely the way to go, and it's the cheapest way to go, because we all know Bose is expensive. So I hope you guys like my review. If you guys got any questions, hit me up, and like always, God bless you. God bless the United States of America, and I'm out.